Hi guys, Namaste. Welcome to Ankita Creations. I'm starting a kitchen DIY decor series on my channel, and this video is a part 1 of that series. For this series, we are going to be recycling some materials which we already have at home. So let's get started. Let's start by making two wall decors. For first one, I'm using this old canvas which is in a very bad shape, as you can see. So I'm just removing the paper which I have stuck on this canvas, and then we will paint black acrylic paint on this canvas to match the border. To get the complete opacity, I did 2 coats of black acrylic paint and then I let it dry. Once it's dried completely, it's time to write our quote on it. I'm going in with a cup of tea solves everything. Being a chai lover, this is the best quote for me to write in my kitchen wall decor. You can go in with whatever suits you. For writing the quote on the canvas, there are 3 options: jelly roll pen, a Sharpie oil-based marker, and white acrylic paints with small brush. I went on with the Sakura jelly roll pen, but उसमें मेरी ink खत्म होने वाली थी. So then I move on to the Sharpie oil-based marker. The effect of this marker was very good. It felt like a chalkboard. So yeah, you can go on with whatever thing you have at home. Done with the coat, I'm adding now a little bit of border on all the 4 sides, and then we are done with our first wall decor. I really like this. It feels like as if we have written with chalk on a chalkboard, but it is permanent. Yeah! This is how it looks at the end. Now we'll move on to our second wall decor. For this one, I'm using an old mouse pad and I'm going to be painting on the back side. First, I'm giving a coat of white acrylic paint on it so that uske baad jo bhi color I'll choose, it will pop nicely on the white background. Next, I went on with a very light blue shade of acrylic paint. Itna light bhi nahi hai, it looks like this, little bit darker than this, but it was not coming on camera rightly. And after doing a coat with a brush, I went on with a sponge so that I can get even coats of paint all over the canvas. Now once this paint has dried, I decided to draw some cups on it, beautiful cups of different design. Now I'll paint my mugs in different colors and will draw some beautiful designs on it. I got inspiration of this art from this Pinterest account. While painting, my hands were smudging the pencil marks, so I kept a white paper on other drawn designs. Now we'll let the base color of mugs dry completely and then we'll add our designs. So for this one, I'm painting a beautiful flower on it, a very simple flower. And for the next one, I'll be doing some dot painting kind of a thing. And third one would be a simple one. Now here I'm dividing my mouse pad into 4 different parts, and then I'm drawing lines vertically to give it a kind of a wooden piece kind of a effect. Like wood में कैसे lines होती है बीच बीच में, something like that. You'll understand once you see all the lines. It gives a really cool effect. Here we are done with our second wall art. Now because my pieces were very light in weight, I decided to hang them using some blue tack. You can also use double-sided tapes, or you can attach a rope behind the canvas and hang it on the wall, whatever suits you. And here is our two wall art. I am completely in love with both of them. The blue color matches with our dining table light, so it looks so good. Now let's move on to the switchboard art. So to paint this, first I'm cleaning up the surface, cleaning up the area where I want to paint, saying hi to my future self. So it's a very simple and straightforward DIY. You choose a design, you draw it on your switchboard, and then you paint it. For painting, we need to use acrylic paints which are permanent, which are very durable. So I decided to go on with Fevicryl acrylic paint, black color. Only black color because I think that would look good on the switchboard. I don't know, maybe I'll try colorful design on other rooms, but for the kitchen I'm going in with the black paint. Before painting this, I didn't know that this small art creation in the corners of the house makes such a big difference. Like when in the morning when I come to the kitchen, it brings a smile on my face directly. I'm loving it, and I'm obviously going to paint on many switchboards in my house. And we are done with our switchboard painting as well. So this was the part 1 of our kitchen DIY decor series. Part 2 and part 3 of this series will be coming next week, so stay tuned for that, and subscribe if you haven't already. Click on the notification bell, and if you recreate any of this DIY, please send me a recreation so that I can share that with all of you in my upcoming videos. Like this video if you liked it, and comment down below your thoughts on it. We can communicate in the comment section below. I'll see you soon. Bye. Love being creative.